How do farmers track 1.2 billion sheep? Unveil the jaw-dropping tech, from drones to smart tags, revolutionizing sheep farming in China, India, and Australia. One mistake could wipe out millions of sheep. So join us to explore cutting-edge farms and meat processing. Hit subscribe for this tech-packed adventure. With 1.2 billion sheep worldwide, managing them is no small feat, especially in massive farms housing millions. Today, we'll tour high-tech sheep farms in China, India, and Australia, where robots, AI, and drones make farming easier and more precise. Comment if you've seen a sheep farm in action. China alone raises nearly 200 million sheep across countless farms, while Australia manages over 70 million. Manual care for such numbers is impossible, so advanced tech is a game changer. Smart tags on sheep ears store data like health, age, and lineage, letting farmers monitor thousands at once with minimal staff. These digital ear tags, installed with handheld devices, hold unique codes. Scanning them pulls up a sheep's full profile on a smartphone, from parentage to medical history. In China, smart tags sync with mobile apps for instant, detailed updates. Less advanced farms use basic tags with written details like birth year, but high-tech farms lead the way. For health checks, advanced farms use CT scanners, yes, like in hospitals, to assess sheep conditions. Ultrasound scanners detect pregnancies, while AI-powered cameras monitor pregnant ewes, alerting farmers with a bell when labor starts, so they're ready to assist even at midnight. Need to vaccinate or shear? A restraining machine securely holds sheep, regardless of size, for safe injections or hoof trimming. It automates shearing, reducing injury risks and labor compared to manual methods. Hoof trimming is vital. Adult sheep need it twice yearly to prevent bleeding or disease from overgrown hooves. Sheep grazing daily in pastures naturally wear down hooves, but indoor flocks require regular trimming. Small machines also handle lamb vaccinations or shearing, streamlining care. With thousands of sheep, tech like this is a lifesaver, ensuring every animal gets attention without overwhelming farmers. Imagine monitoring each sheep in a huge farm. A weighing and health scanner reads ear tags, logs weight, and checks wool and health as sheep pass through. It processes 700 sheep per hour, controlled remotely, needing just 1 or 2 workers. Add a trained herding dog, and one person can manage thousands. Herding dogs, as we covered in a past episode, are elite breeds trained to guard and guide sheep, protecting them from predators or theft in vast fields. They control flocks better than humans, keeping sheep on track from farm to pasture. But some farms go further, using drones for herding. Drones with dog bark, sounds direct sheep with precision, guided by advanced algorithms to avoid obstacles like trees. Farmers monitor flocks via drone cameras, even in harsh weather, and detect fever or strays instantly, isolating sick sheep to prevent outbreaks. Drones let farmers relax under a tree while managing vast herds. Mobile sheep dips clean and disinfect flocks against parasites. Sheep slide through conveyors into a solution-filled dip, submerging for a minute with heads dipped twice using a long stick. Up to 3 sheep are processed at once. Other dips use cages submerged in cleaning pools, ensuring thorough sanitation. Asaf sheep, bred for meat and milk, thrive in mega farms with automated milking systems. These keep milk pure, free of contaminants, and save time. Feeding is also automated. Machines evenly distribute hay, with one worker feeding an entire farm in minutes using rust-proof conveyor belts. Smaller farms may use manual restraining machines to flip sheep for vaccinations, hoof trimming, or tag installation, simplifying care. In slaughterhouses, automation shines. Machines scan sheep for quality, restrain them for slaughter every 12 seconds in Islamic methods, and move carcasses via conveyors for skinning and gutting. Workers and robots collaborate to cut meat into portions, ensuring speed and hygiene. Loved this dive into sheep farming tech? Comment if you want more livestock tech videos. Smash that like button, share, and subscribe for more farm adventures.